Giraffe does not require most users to link a bank account to earn or redeem rewards. If you're trying to connect one, and the option isn't working, the first step is to confirm whether your selected payout method actually supports direct bank transfers. By the end of this video, you'll know how to determine whether a bank account is needed, what causes linking problems, and what to do if your preferred payout option isn't available. Start by opening the redemption section inside Giraffe. But look at the payout methods available for your account and region. If you only see gift cards or other supported redemption options, there may not be a bank account feature available for your account. In that case, there's nothing to fix because direct bank transfers aren't supported through your current rewards menu. If your account does display a bank account option but it won't link, make sure you're running the latest version of Giraffe from the Google Play Store. An outdated app can sometimes cause account-related features to behave unexpectedly. Next, check your internet connection. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data is a quick way to rule out a temporary network issue while the app is trying to verify your information. If you're entering banking details manually, review every field before submitting. A single incorrect character, extra space, or missing digit can prevent verification from completing successfully. Correcting small entry mistakes is often enough to resolve the problem. If the linking process freezes or returns an error, completely close Giraffe and reopen it. Then try the process again, instead of repeatedly tapping the same button. Multiple attempts during a temporary connection problem can make it harder to tell whether anything actually changed. Before contacting support, take screenshots of the error message, the linking screen, and any confirmation steps you've already completed. Also note your device model and Android version. Providing complete information helps the support team understand exactly where the process failed. Avoid creating another Giraffe account just to test the feature. Multiple accounts can create additional account issues and won't normally solve a verification problem. If none of these steps work, contact Giraffe support directly through the app. Explain that you're unable to link your bank account, describe the exact error you're seeing, and attach the screenshots you collected. To summarize, first verify that bank account linking is actually available for your account. Check for app updates and connection issues. Carefully review your entered information, and contact support with detailed evidence if the problem continues. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Giraffe troubleshooting tutorials for more quick fixes.